Today, we live in a digital world where we take a lot of media content, pictures, and videos. Cameras are continuously improving and requiring more memory to store those data. So organizing all those media files can be challenging. Google and Apple offer own proprietary solutions, but they have some limitations. I have attempted to fix those limitations for myself and would like to share my experience today. So today we will talk about photo library solution. Firstly, let's identify and describe the problem. As I mentioned, Google Photos is excellent. I talk about Google because I use Android, but I believe you could have similar situation and with Apple as well. So Google Photo is great. It has fantastic features such as faces and object recognition, media files backups, memories reminder, and so on. And I have been using it for a long time. However, it also have some limitations. Including storage limitation and maybe privacy concerns because you share all of those files with Google and you don't know how those files will be used. It became a problem for me when my wife asked me to help because she couldn't even receive emails because her Google account had reached its memory limit. It is 15 gigabytes for Google Drive. At first, I tried to backup large videos by copying them to the computer. Perhaps like you, I have folder on my computer filled with old memories. You know, it's just a folder with photos from various events. Then I realized that almost all of those videos were moments with our children, and we rarely look at photos or videos from the computer folder. So after copying them to the computer, it would be hard to find those great moments there. Of course, you could disable syncing to Google Drive, and you would still be able to use all those photos and videos on your phone. However, the phone also had limitations with memory. And even worse, you could lose everything if you lose or break your phone with disabled syncing to and backupping your data. So I tried to find a solution based on my requirements, and I would like to have photos in all photos in one place. It should have features like Google Photos, be able to view photos and videos from my phone, ability to create albums, ability to automatically group people with AI. It would be great also to have features like reminding about moments. You know, when you receive photos as reminders about events which happen at the same day, but few years ago. Also, I would like to have ability to search photos by location, search photos by keywords. It would also be great to have all my old photos which are stored on my computer to have it in the application. Also, I would prefer to not share all my data with companies like Google. So I started searching for a solution based on my requirements, and I found that there are already a lot of applications that exist to solve this problem. Here you can see a comparison list of free and open source photo libraries. You can compare it by popularity or features availability. The list is extensive, but there are many small applications which are good, I think, but they cannot replace a system like Google Photos. So I was choosing among the most popular options. It was Photo Prism and Image. For now, I use Image. If go back to my requirements and check its features, it covers all. It covers the following features. It is self-hosted, meaning all data are mine, and no one else can access it. It has mobile application. It has automatic backups. I can view photos and videos in this application, of course. There is ability to find events by date, to create albums. It has AI to group photos by people, and also you can search by keywords to find photos with some to find some photos by keywords. Also, multiple users can be added to have their own spaces and share photos between each other. So in single application, I could have an account, and another account was created for my wife, and we can see photos only which we share for which only which we share. This mobile application also have photos reminding, and everything is stored in original size. So now I would like to show you a short demo how to install this application and how to use it. This is the website of this application, introduction, history of the author, his motivation is similar to mine. He was asked by his wife to write something like this. And to install this application, we can use Docker. We need to create a folder where the application will be stored. One more moment about requirements. This application could be running on Windows, but preferred is Unix-based operation system. It will require at least 4 gigabytes of RAM and at least 2 cores CPU. So I will copy the Docker Compose file to my folder. On Linux, we could put this command in command line, and it will copy this Docker Compose. But I'm not sure for Windows. But you will be able to copy this URL and paste in a new tab, and it will be downloaded. Then you could move this file where you want. Also, we need copy env file. Env file is hidden for now, so I will open. I will open this folder in Visual Studio Code, but you can use any text reductor to do this. Here you have Docker Compose file. I will just comment this part with restart always to. It is adding to something like auto start with the system to run this application. Here we have env file. It is recommended to change database password, but for demo, I leave it as is. So next we need to start this application with Docker. Docker Compose up. And now this application is running. Just need to copy port for this application to open UI. And here we have the first page of this application, where we need registrate admin account. I will write something. Email, password, confirm password, and your user account name. Click sign up. Next, we need login with the created account. Next step is choose theme, light or dark. Here you have a page where you can select storage templates. It is it shows how your files will be, which structure your files will have on the file system. It could be sorted by date, by day, or only by year. I will leave it by default. So next, we need add photos to this application, and you can upload it with this button. But here you can't select all files with folders. You can upload only files. You can select multiple files, but you can't select everything to be added in one click. So there exists another way to add photos. It is API. We can generate API key for this. Okay, and I prepared few commands to run for this. We'll open new window, new CLI, and firstly we need authorize. It is image, login, URL to our service, local URL, and then authorization token. So now we authorize it, and the next command is to import those photos. So this command will upload all photos from this folder. Recursive mean that it will check all subfolders, and -a mean that it will automatically create albums for all subfolders and folders. So you will see all folders in this albums page. Let's run this command. What is this? Not in this folder. We need to go back, and because photos folder we have here. Okay. The process started, and we have message that all photos were successfully uploaded to this application. Next, before those photos appears here, I will show you a few options and configurations. Here we have administration page, and here you can create users. On this page, you have jobs progress. It's showing what the application is doing at this moment. It is generating thumbnails and searching for different objects, recognizing objects on those photos, face detection, and face recognition. Need wait some time before those tasks will be completed. Then we can check those photos and features available in this application. Here we have some settings. You can configure quality image. It is for thumbnail, I think. I leave everything by default, but you can check this configuration and change if you need. Here you have server stats, number of photos, storage size, and here you can see your disk size where you run this application. So the repair and the repair page, you will see here some broken photos which could be fixed or removed. So now I think everything is completed. Oh, not yet. Face detection is still in progress. It's almost done. Okay, let's check albums. My folders was added here, as I said. Those folders created different albums. It was a good option for me because on my local computer I have a folder with different subfolders, and those subfolders contain event name and date. You could add some files to favorite to find them. So, okay, everything is completed, and now we can check search. Here you have option to scroll and see dates when the photo was made. And you can search by some keywords. Let's try lemon. And you see that the first photo is the lemon. It will show all photos from the library, but the most relevant will be appears the first. You can search, for example, BMW, and you see that it is here. Also, you can search by car, and it was also recognized as part of car, so it is here. I tried to find, but I couldn't find those keywords which recognize it on all those photos. But it is just working. I don't know how. Here you have also a list of people which you could search. It is the same as on this Explore page. You can select a person, and you will see all photos where the person is presented. You can select a picture with multiple people, and here you have all list of those people. You can click on some person, and you will have all photos with this person. I like this feature, and it is good for me to find photos and different moments. in my library. It also have a mobile application. I will not share it. I will not present it for you, but to install, you can find it in Play Market, and to connect it to this server, you need check the instruction, and it was those steps was here, I think. At the first start mobile application, you will have this page, and you just need put server URL /API and click next. You will see a page something like this. This is configs page where you can configure backup options to automatically copy media files from your phone to the server. And on the page before this, you can see all photos. Also, search filter is available, and scrolling with showing dates. So I think that's all. You can thank you for your attention, and you can ask some question if you have.